first let the spectator know that it is completely random. You can use a random deck, or if you brought one of your own, you can give it a shuffle and a cut, or let the spectator shuffle, because the order does not matter, and you do not need a key card or anything like that. You won't actually ever see the faces of the cards until the very end of the trick. Now, what I did in the performance is I just gave it a quick dribble, I showed the bottom card, and then I pulled this card off, gave it a bit of a break. That when I had it here, I just set this top packet on top and took this bottom card and slid it onto the bottom. But you can use any card control that you want to get their selected card. So let's say it is the 7 of Hearts. You can do a cull card control and you can cull it to the bottom, whatever card control you want to use to get their card control to the bottom. So once you have their card on the bottom, now you're going to have them cut it into 3 piles. So have them take off the top third and set it away from it, and then cut this one in half and set it in the middle. And I'll explain why that is, because you're going to want to have this one be last, because if they just took it here and cut off the top third and set it here, and then went here, then you'd have to go with the outsides and in the middle, and that wouldn't feel very natural. So have them set it off the side, and now you're all set. Because again, their card should be under here. Now, you're going to ask them to say no to the question that you're going to repeat all 3 times. Is this your card? You have to say, is this your card once, twice, and 3 times, and they have to say no all 3 times. Again, you're presenting this as a lie detector trick. So they're going to say no all 3 times, and you're going to try to read their facial expressions and see if you can figure it out. So they have to say no. Is this your card? Of course they say no, and that time they will be telling the truth. Again, it doesn't matter. And you're going to take it here, hold it like this with your thumb in the back, index on the left side, middle ring and pinky across the top, slide it out with your left hand, and set it on the table. Again, do the same thing. Is it your card? They say no. You slide it out, and you set it down. Now, in this last time, when you show them, they'll be telling a lie, but you're going to take this with your pinky and ring, and you're going to pivot this off just by applying pressure and pulling a little bit, and then you're going to take the second card out instead. Now, you can set this card down and leave their card back on the table. Then you're going to go from the right side to the left, the same order that you just asked them the cards in, and you're going to put it back. Now, when you ask them for the number, again, it does not matter which number, you're going to then pull off this card and deal down to whatever number they say. So they could say 1, 2, or up to 51, or 48, I guess, and just keep on going until you get to whatever number they said. It doesn't honestly matter. But then once they get to that next card, and that's the number they said, instead of grabbing the second card, you just reach all the way over, grab it, and set it down. Then you can either present it this way or with these, and either way, their card is here when they thought it should be there. If you want to see the performance of this trick, you can check it out there, or hit the blue join button down below for even more content. Make sure to hit subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is CPM, signing off.